Okay, so a hair fork is a lot like a hair stick, but with extra prongs. It makes it a little bit more stable, stronger hold. So they'll either have 3 prongs or 2 prongs, and so it's basically like just having multiple hair sticks. And how you're going to use this is put your hair into a bun, any one of many styles. There are a few styles that are best with hair forks and a few styles that won't work with hair forks at all. But a lot of styles can be held in multiple different ways, and it just depends on your preference. So once you have this bun ready, you're going to take the hair stick and face it. Which way do I want it to end up? I want it to end up like this, so I'm actually going to face it backwards. Put it in just the little, let's make sure you can see this. Put it in this little side here, push it till I can feel it on my scalp, then turn it. And I'm going to gently wiggle it through, making sure I am picking up hair that's along the scalp. And then it comes out either underneath, or it's good to catch a little bit of the bun on the other side. And then it's extremely secure. So yeah, catching that hair that's along your scalp is going to be key to using a hair stick or a hair fork. So let's see, what other styles can we do? I can do a lazy wrap. Whoa! Knock into my camera with my hair. That's a new one. Okay, so this I would usually do a hair stick because it has these 2 loops, in one loop out the other. But we can also do this with a fork. Again, I'm going to face it. If I want it to end up going this way, I'm going to face it the other way first. Put it in that loop. What am I doing? This way. So it's backwards. In this loop, turn, wiggle and get scalp hair out the other loop. And there is a fork. So these are comfortable, strong, relatively safe for your hair. You do have to be somewhat gentle with them and make sure that the people that you get them from are really sanding down, if it's wood, or coating them, making sure that they aren't snagging on your hair. But pretty much everyone who makes hair forks is aware of that issue and is careful with them. And it's pretty good if you have heavy hair also, because more points of contact are going to hold your hair up and distribute the weight better. So a fork is really, really good if you have long, heavy hair, to help it not all be sort of pulling on one point on your scalp. So I think that's all you need to know to get started with hair sticks. And of course, you can always go to my link, bit.ly/hairtoys, which is in the description box, to see more about the hair sticks that I have and use.